And every time you laugh, girl, my soul runs wild. But I keep these feelings quiet, deep in the folds, 'cause you belong to another. This love I can't hold. I never meant to fall, but your spirit pulled me in. A gentle kind of magic right beneath your skin. And now I'm standing here with a story untold, trying not to drown in a love I can't hold. Girl, I wish the timing was different somehow, but life drew a line and I've gotta step back now. Cindy, you're the fire in a heart grown cold, but I can't cross the line, can't break what's already whole. So I love you from a distance, keep my feelings controlled. Oh, Cindy, you're the love, yeah, the love I can't hold. Some nights I sit alone, just thinking about your eyes, how they glow when you're speaking, like stars in the sky. But you gave your vows, and that story's already told. So I'll keep my hands back from this love I can't hold. And it tears me up, girl, more than I'll ever show. Trying to want what's right when my heart wants to go. But loving you wrong is a weight on my soul. So I'll carry this quiet, this love I can't hold. Every heartbeat whispers your name in the dark, but I won't cross the line, can't tear two lives apart. Cindy, you're the fire in a heart grown cold, but I can't cross the line, can't break what's already whole. So I'll love you from a distance, keep my feelings controlled. Oh, Cindy, you're the love, yeah, you're the love I can't hold. Maybe in another lifetime, maybe in another day, I'll tell you everything my heart's aching to say. But for now, I'll walk steady, keep that boundary bold, and honor the truth in this love I can't hold. Cindy, you're the fire in a heart grown cold, but you're bound to another, and that story stands bold. So I'll whisper my goodbyes to the dreams I once told. Oh, Cindy,